Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be vlogging, so you guys are getting a vlog today. So I think I've dedicated like Sundays to like vlogs and such, and yeah, we're gonna vlog today. So I just got like a few things in mind that I want to do today, so I'm gonna take you guys along with me. My hand was like leaning like this. I'm gonna take you guys with me. So I want to go to Walmart right now. I'm gonna show you guys my outfit soon, but I want to go to Walmart. It's raining. It's been raining like all week. The weather has been really bad, and yeah, so what I want to go to Walmart for is like some acrylic paint and some paint brushes, because I have like some, let me show you guys. Don't mind my carpet, it needs to be vacuumed, but I have like these right here that don't go along with my current decor that I'm going for, my whole aesthetic. So I want to paint these in like nude colors, and I want it to look like clay and such. So I'm gonna go to Walmart to get paint, and we're gonna make them go with my room, and I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna be doing that. I have some other things that I want to do today. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to do everything, but I'm gonna take you guys along with me. So I got ready and stuff already, as you can see. I don't know, you guys are not gonna see well because of the lighting, but okay guys, so this is my OOTD outfit of the day. So I'm wearing this pretty little thing crew neck that I showed you guys in my haul. I realized like this part is like lean, it's supposed to be like straight, but like I got it like that. I didn't even notice, but yeah, it's whatever. So I know the lighting is pretty bad. You guys can probably see it better right now, or not. Ooh, okay, let's stand right here and I'll show you guys. So yeah, so I showed you guys that little sweatshirt, crew neck, whatever you want to call it, in my Pretty Little Thing clothing haul, my most recent one. And I have on these biker shorts from Forever 21, and then my socks are from the dollar store. And then for my makeup, I just did it like how I usually do it. I should do a new like everyday makeup routine or whatever type of video. Yeah, so this is my makeup. It's like my go-to makeup for everything. And then I have on like a mauve, I think it looks mauve to me, I don't know, type of lip. My nails are no pink. I just got my like rings on. I don't have all of them on, but yeah. And then my Apple Watch, and then this is the bag I'm bringing today. You guys know this bag, it's in my what's in my bag video. And then, you know, I got my pants because that's the time of the month. My retainer case, like my keys are supposed to be in here. Are my keys in here? Yeah, my keys. My phone is charging. Let's get that, put it in the bag. And yeah, I'm gonna be taking this on the way to Walmart. So yeah, I already had like breakfast and everything, and I made my bed is all made. I don't know, should I do a room tour, guys? My room is not complete. Like, I want to get a new bed because this is not doing it for me. Like, it's not going with my new vibe. So I need to get a new bed head. So I want to show you guys. So I got someone to put this shelf up. I got this from IKEA. And those pink vases that I showed you guys, I want to put like them up here and stuff, because up here is not looking cute. I want to do something nicer than what you're seeing. I do want to put my cameras up here, like in this spot. The camera I'm using is supposed to be in that spot. These holes need to be filled, and yeah, I need to fix this situation. Like, there's a lot of things that I need to do and stuff. I'm not in any rush to like complete my room and stuff. It's not really a priority right now and everything, but I do still want it to look cute. I just really need to change the bed. I feel like the bed is just throwing off the whole vibe and stuff. But yeah, we're gonna go to Walmart right now because I want to do the painting stuff. I want to see how it turns out because I'm excited to see it. So I'll see you guys later, maybe in the car, maybe in Walmart. We'll Okay, so I'm in Walmart. So these are the colors I'm gonna get. So this one is, sorry guys, it's like noisy in here. Focus. Okay, so this is antique parchment, and then this one is khaki. They only had one of this one. I wanted to get two, but they only had one. And then this one is territorial beige, which looks really brown. And then I'm getting these paintbrushes. I was also thinking if I should have gotten light mocha, but I feel like these three, like, they go well together. I'm wondering if I should get two of this one. I wonder if it's gonna be enough. You know what, I'm just gonna get two of each just to be on the safe side. Oh crap, they only have one khaki, so maybe I have to go to our next Walmart. But yeah, I'm gonna get like, okay, I'm gonna go to the next one because they're like 50 cents each, so it's gonna be like $2.50. And then these brushes were for $2.47. Yeah, so this is what I'm getting, and that's it. I don't think I need anything else. So the girl that I saw that did it, she used this brand, I think, and she got suede. They don't have, I would have to go to Michael's to probably get suede or whatever, but she still used acrylic paint, and this is acrylic paint and this is matte. I think this will work just fine, and this is way cheaper than that brand. I know that brand is pretty good, and it's called, oh my god, why is it so noisy in here? That brand is called Waverly. My mom uses that brand. She always asks for that one, but yeah, I'm just gonna use this. I've used these before to paint. I think it'll work out just fine. So like, yeah, I'm gonna check out right now. Hey guys, so it's the next day. It's 8:55 and I'm already dressed and everything because I'm gonna be doing a Fashion Nova haul. So I'm gonna show you guys, like, so I have my camera right here that's connected to my laptop. So what I go on remote shooting and live view, and this is like, I'll see everything on here. So like when I'm doing my video, I can see like if I'm in focus and everything. So this is all the Fashion Nova stuff that I'll be showing you guys. So I'm wearing this top. The bottoms don't matter because you guys aren't seeing that and whatever. So these are just the shorts that I slept in last night. Yeah, so I'm gonna start doing the video and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys how I'm gonna paint the vases that I have. I'm really excited to see how that turns out, and I might go somewhere and I might bring you guys with me, so that's exciting too. It's morning, so that's why I'm whispering, because my voice just hasn't woken up yet. But like, yeah, see you guys soon. Hey guys, so I just got finished with my video. Make sure to watch it. It's gonna be live on Wednesday. It's gonna be up after this one. So I'm going to brunch. I'm trying to get ready. I'm gonna wear the same top that I had on in the video, but I'm wearing it with some shorts. Let me show you guys. So these are the shorts I'm gonna wear. I got these from Target, so I got them when it was after quarantine, and like obviously they don't fit, so I'm gonna wear a belt with them. I couldn't get a smaller size because I didn't have a small size, and I really like the wash of these. They were really cute. I'm gonna get them tailored eventually, but like, yeah, I'm gonna try this belt on with it to see how it looks. Okay, so the belt looks odd to me. How does it look to you guys? So what I'm gonna do is that little trick with the loop. I'm gonna try that out to see how it looks. I don't know, I haven't worn like belts like this in a while, so I don't know if that's the reason why it looks kind of weird to me. But I do want to wear these shorts today. Like, maybe it doesn't look weird. You know, what kind of shoes? I don't even know what kind of shoes I'm gonna wear. I don't know. Oh, I could wear those brown sandals that I got from Shein. I could wear those. It does match the belt. I'm gonna try. I'm gonna see. We'll figure it out. Okay, so I did the shorts like this. I just put the loop over the button. It looks kind of weird, but this is how it's gonna be. I'm gonna wear the white top. I'm gonna wear this bag I got from Shein. I'm gonna wear these sandals I got from Shein also. I'm gonna wear my Ray-Bans today, the pink ones, and you guys know the jewelry. It's Shein. My rings, these are the ones I'm gonna wear today. Yes, I'm gonna wear the one with the little cross, pinky, this band, and then my other band, and yeah, and then my Apple Watch, which is really dirty. I need to clean the band. Like, something like rubbed against it and like stained it, so I need to clean the band. And that's the outfit, guys. So I'm gonna paint these right now, and I'm just gonna do it on my desk. So I have 3 paper plates because I have 3 different paint colors. You're gonna need baking powder. I'm gonna need baking powder because I want it to look matte. And then here's all my paint stuff, and then I have like a wipe here to like just wipe off like any dust that's on these. And I'm just gonna show you guys like me painting and stuff. Yeah.